Hey everybody, Kyle Sasser here, and I'm going to share a little update with you for the great city of St. Petersburg, which is where I currently reside. And nope, it's not about the pier, and it's not about the sewer issues we've been having the last few years, but it does have to do with trash collection. And I wanted to share this with y'all because I think it's a cool little program that St. Pete is doing, and that is that the City of St. Petersburg, if you reside within the city limits and are currently paying for trash collection, you can actually get a free composting bin delivered to your house. So all you have to do is go to the sign-up website, which is stpete.org/sanitation/composting.php. And if you don't want to type all that in, I will give you a nice and easy link that you can just click on. Just look in the show notes below to find that. And yeah, you basically just go there, you put in your name, the address to sign up, and they will deliver to you a 33-inch wide by 33-inch tall composting bin, just perfect for dropping all those coffee grounds, banana peels, and all that sort of stuff in. So what good is composting, you say? Well, it does make great additions to any sort of potted plants. Makes a great fertilizer and really just makes them look very, very healthy. And it also keeps food waste out of the garbage and waste recycling pipeline. So the City of St. Petersburg does have some incineration plants where they do generate electricity from burning trash, but burning trash is about as nice as it sounds. So if we can maybe put that to a little bit better use, composting, and maybe making our yards and gardens look a little bit better, I think that might be a little bit better use. And if you have kids, fun thing to do with the kids, you can compost some stuff up and teach them about raising plants and the circle of life and all that fun stuff. And even better, it's free, which makes it a whole lot better than the actual recycling program was in St. Petersburg for many, many years. Other municipalities do have larger scale composting programs where they actually have a bin that you put out beside the regular, solids recycling with, so you put it next to the aluminum cans and all that, and they take it to a central location. They do a big old compost pile and can pick up compost whenever they want. We do have some similar things for that here, but it is not for compost. You can get as much free mulch as you want. So, and I'll put a link to that below. So, City of St. Petersburg does do collection for trees, large brush, yard waste, and all that stuff. They also have large recycling centers for large amounts of cardboard, plastics, and all that stuff. So if you get like a new entertainment system from IKEA and you have like 40 pounds of corrugated cardboard you need to get rid of, the recycling centers are a great way to do it because, let's face it, those the blue recycling bins are only so big. And so far as the brush drop-off, there are a few sites around St. Pete where you can go and do that. And then, like I said, you can go there and pick up free mulch as well. It's kind of the amount varies depending upon how much brush has been coming in, but it's usually a pretty generous amount whenever I go by there. The one that I use is on 62nd next to Shore Acres Elementary, but I do know that there are a few others located around the area. Another good one is next to Lowe's and Home Depot on 22nd Avenue. But I will put a link to all of those locations below. So, if you do currently reside in St. Petersburg, jump on that, or not reposting. Reposting is something that happens on Reddit. Jump on that composting bin free offer from the City of St. Petersburg. Again, that sign-up link is below. My name is Kyle Sasser, and if you would like to find your own great place in Tampa Bay, I'd love to help you out. I am a Tampa Bay native as well as a local realtor, and I have lived all over this great area. If you'd like to reach me, you can reach me at Kyle@sassergroup.com. That's KYLE@sassergroup.com. if you know some other cool city programs like that, I would love to hear them. I'm always looking for new fun stuff to learn about the city and all the great stuff that is on offer. So leave me a comment below. And if you have any composting tips, I'd love to hear those as well. So hit that subscribe button, send me an email or a comment. I love the feedback. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon.